Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Yes, but try to see it from Mr. Musty's point of view for a moment.
Oh, no. I won't do it.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's all...
Shannon, it was a great move. I was, hey, Vito.
Did you set him straight with your lawyerly powers of persuasion? Is he ready to start training?
Well... I hereby dub thee...
He's going to get you!
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his crap.
Hey, you in the red. I could use a little hose down. Help me wash this off.
That's enough. No questions, scusi. Out of the way. Come on. Back up. Back up.
Just leave it to me, boss. I am a master of disguise.
This first one, I can reach into a car's hood, pull out his battery, and show it to him before he starts.
Is everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
One close finish. You sure made Dynaco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you been good.
Monkeying around?
Get back here, you monkey! This black pavement is yellow.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Be afraid of not having the chance. You have the chance. Doc didn't. And you can either...
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
I was thinking about Nori.
Oh.
I feel bad she couldn't come today.
How about something to drink? Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
Now, we... Hey!
The better if it means my old pal Lightning is down for the count. Am I right, certain?
Well, if I'm certain of anything...
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures, because Champ here has been a role model of mine.
speed.
Thanks, guys.
They quit on me. When I finally got put together, I went back expecting a big welcome.